I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a door panel. First, gather your essential tools: a trim removal tool, a screwdriver set, and a small socket wrench. Safety is paramount, so disconnect your vehicle's battery to avoid any electrical issues. Next, carefully locate and remove all visible screws and fasteners that secure the door panel. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for the entire replacement. Now, let's detach the old door panel. Begin by using your trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges, releasing the clips. Work slowly to prevent damage. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for components like windows, door locks, and speakers. Finally, detach the door handle and any associated cables or linkages, ensuring you remember their positions for reinstallation. With the old panel off, it's time for the new one. First, reconnect all electrical connectors for your windows, locks, and speakers. Ensure each connection is snug and secure. Next, reattach the door handle and its cables or linkages, making sure they operate smoothly. Finally, align the new door panel with the door frame, pressing firmly around the edges to engage all the clips until it sits flush. To finalize the installation, reinstall all the screws and fasteners you removed earlier, securing the new panel firmly in place. Once everything is tightened, reconnect your vehicle's battery. The final and crucial step is to thoroughly test all door functions. Operate the windows, test the door locks, and check the speakers to confirm everything is working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.